welcome. This is Explain Dad, and this is how to hide your apps and games on Play Store Mobile whenever you want to install. So let's get started. So first, open up your Play Store app. Make sure that you're logged into your main account, as this will provide you the most control out of all. And click on the settings, click on family, and open up the parental controls. It will ask you to prompt a 4-digit PIN. Make sure that you remember this PIN. After creating the PIN, there's already a prompt there that apps and games. By tapping on it, you'll have this type of diagram. And by tapping on the lowest one, as the 3 plus, will prompt other people connected into your Google account that's under. And they wouldn't see anything above 3 plus ages that contains apps and games as well. So everything that you'll only see here is 3 plus below games. Take note that we are talking about the age restriction here, as there's no other way to hide other apps as well, because this is a general consumer product. As you can see, as we're double checking and skimming through other games as well, it usually just looks like a lot of kids game. If this is not corrected, you could always see either CODM, Mobile Legends, League of Legends, Wild Rift, and other stuff that contains violence and other criteria for having a higher age restriction as well. And so that's about it. You've successfully done on how to hide your apps and games on Play Store Mobile. It's easy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain Dad.